Well, we began the morning with a lot of sunshine and the clouds rolled in. Some of you may have seen a sprinkle or maybe a light shower farther west, but more clouds than anything else. 74 right now at the airport, winds light out of the south. Currently in the Shenandoah Valley, we find 66 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. And take a look at some other readings. We've got 70 in Palmyra, 75 in Orange, 72 right now in Madison. And we've got some cooler 64-degree readings there in Waynesboro, 66 in Lovingston, and 68 currently in Harrisonburg. NBC29's Doppler radar network is showing a few returns here on the radar, stretching from Buckingham through southern Albemarle, much of Nelson and southern Augusta. Again, not all of that reaching the ground. The air mass is still fairly dry. You get back into West Virginia, certainly some rain into the highlands of Virginia. But as we go through the rest of this evening, we may encounter a stray shower, a few sprinkles. Otherwise, we'll hold on to the clouds here overnight. Most of us will see numbers in the low 50s, and there could be a little patchy fog first thing tomorrow. Most of us tomorrow afternoon will be in the middle 70s. We'll start with clouds. We'll lose most of those clouds as we head toward the afternoon. Lower 70s in the Shenandoah Valley and a small chance of a shower mainly west of the Blue Ridge here for Tuesday. Well, a big difference from last week. We're talking about a warm up this week that puts us basically right into summer. Last week it felt more like early April. This week it's all about rising temperatures each day, and by Friday and this weekend we're talking about temperatures at or above 90 in many spots. We have a frontal boundary draped from the Ohio Valley back across southwest Virginia into the Carolinas. This is going to push farther south and west with time. Bigger story is ongoing flooding and severe weather across Louisiana. Areas like Lake Charles, 6 to over 12 inches of rain today, flooding emergency. And the larger storm system really stretches from the Rockies into the Plain States, and kind of repeat showers and thunderstorms will be focused across the midsection of the country over the next several days. At the jet stream level this week, we're basically talking about a ridge building. That's going to promote the warmth, and we're talking about that run into or above 90 here as we get toward Friday and this weekend. So a big difference from where we were last week. So again, this evening, early tonight, there could be a stray shower. Tomorrow morning, we'll start with some clouds. They'll kind of thin out during the afternoon. Temperatures in the middle 70s. Most of the showers will be confined to the mountains farther to our west. And then we'll start Wednesday morning in the 50s. Wednesday afternoon, we'll see many of us in the low and middle 80s as our warm-up continues this week. So we hold on to the clouds here tonight. There could be a stray shower, some patchy fog, most of us in the lower 50s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast, and again, a big difference from where we were last week. Temperatures will continue to warm this week, and of course last week we had that refreshing air mass, Casey, and people were like, well, is it going to warm up? Is it going to warm up? Well, this week it's going to heat up pretty quickly. So remember the air conditioning we had last week, Mother Nature style. Now it's back to reality of what the season is to come.
Back to reality. Thank you so much, Eric.